Inside our reset kit, you'll find 3 different products. The first is Reload. Inside its packaging, you'll find 10 sachets, each numbered from 1 to 10, with the recommended time for each dose clearly indicated. The second product is Release, which comes in 630ml bottles. Lastly, you'll find 1 sachet of Relax. This single sachet is to be taken at the end of the protocol. Our kit also includes a specially designed shaker to make mixing the various doses easy, as each one must be shaken vigorously before consumption. It's important to use warm water between 35 degrees Celsius and 40 degrees Celsius. To achieve this, you can use a kettle. Pour some of the heated water into a separate container and mix it with room temperature water until you reach the desired temperature for each dose. The first step is to pour around 250 milliliters of warm water into the shaker. Then, select the appropriate Reload sachet based on the time of day. Make sure to empty the entire contents, close the shaker tightly, and shake vigorously. To make it easier to drink, you can remove the lid and consume immediately. If any enzyme residue remains in the shaker afterwards, you can add a bit more warm water, shake again, and drink until no residue remains. Half an hour after each dose, it's necessary to drink 250 milliliters of warm water. This helps promote bowel movements and keeps you hydrated throughout the day. As you progress through the protocol, you'll need to combine the different products at each stage. As mentioned before, prepare the warm water and mix the corresponding Reload sachet. Once fully emptied, add the 30 milliliters bottle of Release when needed, ensuring all of the contents are used. Then, close the lid, shake well, and drink. If by the 9:30 p.m. dose you haven't yet begun to evacuate, you can add the Relax sachet to warm water and drink it immediately. However, if you have already evacuated, you can take the Relax dose the following morning. Once you wake up, you may combine the final 30 milliliters bottle of Release with the Relax sachet. As you've seen, the process is quite straightforward. Just make sure to follow the guide step by step for the best results.